If you're looking to learn how to duplicate deals in HubSpot, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll walk you through a simple process using the CloneNer app to easily create clone deals. Let's dive in. Here's a quick friendly guide on duplicating deals in HubSpot, super easy with the CloneNer app by 4CRMs. To start, go to the HubSpot app marketplace and install the CloneNer Clone and Duplicate app. Keep in mind that CloneNer Clone and Duplicate app is officially certified and featured in the HubSpot app marketplace, making it a trusted solution for all your deal duplication needs. Once CloneNer is installed, go to the deal you want to duplicate and select the Duplicate Deal option. This will open a pop-up window displaying the CloneNer workspace. Customize the duplicated deal. First, name your new duplicated deal and choose the pipeline and stage for it. When done, select associations to preserve. Choose whether to copy contacts, companies, notes, etc. Once all settings are adjusted, click the Clone Deal button. A confirmation message will pop up and you'll be able to view the newly duplicated deal. And that's it! Now you know how to effortlessly duplicate deals in HubSpot using CloneNer. Give it a try and see how it can streamline your workflow. Happy duplicating!